What's up, everybody? This is KC for Shine KC on vacay mode. You know how we do it. We got to give you all the latest updates on, travel news, tips of cruise, and we definitely got something juicy you guys want to know about. Carnival has some latest updates for 2020, and I think you guys want to know about it. So the latest cruise information is on their drink package. We already had increase on the price, this year, 2019. Now in 2020, they're going to be having another price hike. So here we go again, saying it's going up. I guess inflation and stuff is going up. So, everybody knows that the gratuity went up to 18%, so it definitely went up, tremendously. Now, with Carnival new latest updates, the drink package is going to go up $3. Yes, like I said, it's going to go up $3 more, for this. And so, if you don't get it in before January, as of January 1st, it's going to go up. So if you can book your cruise before, if you're booking your cruise before January 1st, and you're thinking about getting that drink package, you guys better hurry up and get it, because, after the first, it's going up $3 more. So you can still get that deal. Well, it's going to be a deal now because, they're going up. But, and that's still including gratuity, So, for those that don't know, the gratuity is added on top of the price. So you got to calculate it. So, and this price is going to be $59.95 for any cruises under 7 days. So, for those that are taking cruises that are under 7 days, you guys are going to get that price hike. I don't think that's fair, but, but any smaller cruises that are, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 days are going to be charged this $3 fee, and that's including the gratuity, the 18% gratuity that they already increased, this year. So 2020 is a lot of changes going on. So the next changes about Carnival is, this around the drink situation, is they're no longer going to have Coke products. So everything is going to be Pepsi. So for all my Coke drinkers, I know they had that little Coke machine. Now it's all going to be Pepsi. So, hey, all the Pepsi lovers, so they're going to like it. But all the Coke folks, they've been on Carnival all this time, they're taking Coke away. So that is going to be the latest update for 2020. Okay, the next update, which is going to be on a better side, is they're adding a few more ships in 2020. So you're going to have, obviously, everybody been hearing about the Mardi Gras and stuff like that. So the Mardi Gras is being introduced in 2020, but they had a delay. So hopefully, they can fix the problem. Also too, the Panorama is being introduced. It was just introduced in December, so now everybody, y'all can cruise in 2020 on the Panorama. Okay, the next one was, they had a renovation, it used to be the Victory, now it's Carnival, what was it called? Carnival Radiance, sorry. Had a little brain fart. But yeah, Carnival Radiance. Carnival Radiance is going to have the new Big Chicken Shack, Big Chicken, restaurant added to it. So everybody will be able to enjoy it, as well as the Mardi Gras is going to have the Big Chicken as well. And I know everybody's sad that Matt left, Carnival Vista, and he's now on, so that's a new update too. For 2020, is Matt is no longer going to be on Vista Cruise Line. He's going to be on Mardi Gras. So all these changes, are coming, and more to come. So, look out for it. I know also too, for 2020, Guy Fieri Burger also too has added, breakfast to their menu. So that's going to be interesting too. So I know some may have already heard it, some already may have experienced it, but in 2020, all of this stuff goes into effect. You know what I'm saying? Where everybody that hasn't been on a cruise in 2019, all this stuff is going to be new to you guys, on the Carnival Cruise Lines. So it's going to be across the board Carnival Cruise Lines. The Guy Fieri burger is going to have an additional menu for breakfast. I think it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Because Shack Burger also too has a breakfast menu as well. So that's going to be cool. So let's see what the competition is going to be about. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Guy Fieri fan. I love the Guy Fieri burgers and Pig and Anchor. So let's see what Shack, says, all about. His big chicken. Let's see what it's all about. I heard they're going to probably have a little chicken and waffles. So I'm interested in, trying that out. So, hopefully, this is able to be helpful because, there's going to be a lot of updates. So I'm going to make sure I get them all to you, And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to keep up, with the latest updates. Because I'm definitely going to be getting them out to you as soon as I get them, So definitely, so leave a comment, let me know, what you think about the new changes and stuff like that. And is there any other changes that you think should happen? Oh, and not to forget, I just made a video as well as on the Havana bar restrictions. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out because that's another change that's going to be changing around for 2022. It already has started, like that. Some, like it, some don't, So, let me know your opinion and, let me know what you think about, no longer being able to, go to the Havana bar pool area. Now, you can be able to go hang out at the bar, like that, but you can't go out and access it after 7 anymore. So make sure you look at that, because you might not even know, and you're going to be going back there like, oh, I'm going to go enjoy the pool, in the afternoon, like that, and you're not going to be able to have access there. So there's a restriction there. So it's only those that are on the Havana Cabana floor that could be able to access that, and they have their little wristbands to be able to let them in, and they strictly enforcing it. And last but not least, Carnival has a wardrobe restriction, that I'm not sure if they're going to enforce that, but I understand, having vulgar things on their shirts or racial things on their shirts. I understand, because I don't want to see that either, and that's going to be a new change too. So a lot of people have complained about people wearing offensive clothing. It has a little writing on there. So I know that's a little thin line, they got to ride with because, what's offensive? Somebody might not think that's offensive, So it just depends. So, yes, that's another update that on the wardrobe, they're going to be enforcing that too. So, so we're going to see. And if you want to definitely check it out, let me know what you think about the wardrobe change, the attire, for them, banning certain attire or certain people want to be walking up letting you know, that's not appropriate to wear, even even for dinner time. Excuse me. Even for dinner time, they're going to be restricting a certain attire. So, look out for that new restriction. So for those that, like to just, wear whatever, carefree, whatever like that, like to, wear little sayings, the meaning thing, just for a joke, I like to wear a little stuff too, but, not racy or nothing like that or whatever, but, I don't know how I would be affected with that either because, I like to wear Star Wars or a little twist on things like that. So tell me what you think about that because I don't know, it's been a big controversy about that as well, so this is KC from Sean and KC on vacay mode. And if you're new here, join the family. Don't forget to join our Facebook page because we can further talk about these subjects and, keep up with our latest updates on all the cruise and travel news. Bye for now. See you on vacay mode.